Hey, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here today to talk about the Pinnacle Ceramic Crystal Mist Detail Spray. Now, most of you may already be familiar with the Crystal Mist Carnauba Detail Spray. However, this is a newer version of that to add more durability and, of course, more hydrophobic characteristics, which is, of course, the repellency of water and so forth, dust, debris. However, with this being a quick detail spray, this is great for all your surfaces in removing surface contaminants, which is going to be dust, dirt, and light contaminants that are on the surface, after doing a wash or prep for a vehicle for a show. This is something that will help add slickness to the surface, shine, and of course a high repellency because it's ceramic infused. That's the biggest thing about this product, is it being ceramic infused, you're gonna get a lot more repellency characteristics with the hydrophobics, and this is what takes it to that next level. One of the big benefits of the Ceramic Crystal Mist Detail Spray by Pinnacle is that this is something that could be used on all pre-treated surfaces. And what I mean by pre-treated, meaning that if it already has been waxed, or has a paint sealant or a ceramic coating, this will help boost the characteristics of slickness and hydrophobic repellency properties. Now, the use of this is super simple. This is something that you could either spray directly to the surface, or you could spray to a towel. Whatever your personal preference is on the application of the product, once you do spray it, whether it be to the towel or the surface, you're gonna wipe the surface lightly, and then you're gonna flip your towel over and wipe off any light residue, and that's it. Then you'll end up with a nice, slick, clean surface from, of course, your Ceramic Crystal Mist Detail Spray by Pinnacle. If you wanna learn more about any of the Pinnacle products, visit autogeek.com.